welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a Shein kids clothing haul. I have all of this to show you. I had a few items yesterday. They already opened it, unfortunately. And then I have these ones that I barely got today. I got it for the back to school clothing and of course sheinkids. So I'm going to show you what I got for my two girls. And let's get started with this shirt. Click subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you did, thank you very much. And I will appreciate it a lot. I was going to say my outro. Look at this little shirt. I'm in my, what? Oh, in my first grade era. Of course, it says it, first grade. The material feels very nice. Almost feeling like cottony. The little vinyl here now, that one looked like it might peel off in 3 washes. But it's cute. In my first grade era. Very cute, very cute. It's very soft, very flowy. I believe I got it in the size 6. Yes, size 6. So there's that. I got this one. This one I believe is for my older one. So I got a size 10. Doesn't say. It doesn't say. It's leggings. Checkers. And I got her another leggings in gray, and it has this flare leg foot. It's very nice. I do see like it's transparent. It could get transparent. Oh, size 9. Look at that. Size 9. The material looks stretchy. It does look a little bit see-through, because through here I can see the other checkers on the other side, but it's cute. I like the cut of the flare foot. Very nice. You hear that? That is these people. This one I have no idea what it is, so let's open it. Oh, it's a jacket. I wanted, well, this kind of small. I wanted simple jackets, not so thick, because my older one just doesn't like thick jackets. Yeah, oh my gosh, I look greasy. It's hot over here. It's really hot. Look, it has, let me zip it back up. It has this butterfly. It looks like it could be like bedazzled. It's not. It's a vinyl. And it looks like that vinyl that could come off in 3 washes. It is Shein. The material, it's alright. Kind of like those pants, like sports pants. That's how it looks. It looks see-through because I could see the, oh look, can you see my arm right there? Yes. This this is size 9. Excuse me. Size 9. It's a nice little flowy jacket because, again, I didn't want it to have a thick jacket. Next, sheinkids. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, another legging, kind of the same type. It's that long, what do you call it? Bell leg, and it's kind of, I thought it was black, but it's that kind of a dark gray one. The material is soft, and my daughter already tried another ones, which is more like let me show you the cat, like this kind of gray. It's a cat, and she loved them. They're stretchy, they are tight, if you would say tight, and they have that flow bell, and cute. Next, I think this is another jacket. This could be for my younger one, or it could be for the older one. Who knows? Ta-da! Now this is gray. It's kind of the same material. Oh, it's for the older one. And again, oh no, the other one has butterflies. Now these, I was gonna say this vinyl looks different. No, it does not. It's the same kind of vinyl, but it looks cute. It looks gray, like a different kind of gray in the computer or in the phone, wherever I bought it. It looked a little bit different, but it's nice. I like it. Nice little thin jacket for her to use. Now I have these. I don't remember what it is. Oh, this is for my younger one. These are leggings. And then these are these kind of earthy colors. They come in a pack of 3. The brown, the purple, and the green. And then you have a little bit of flare on the bottom, and you have those little like ruffle lettuce looking things. And this is what size did I got this? This is a 6. Well, you can see right there, size 6. It's nice, flowy. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, I'm putting on the back. And the texture is like this. You see? Now let me see if it's see-through. Well, I can see that, but leggings you can see through. I like it. Look, can you see? Are you able to? Can you tell? Look it. I think you can tell. But it's nice. Kids go through clothing, and especially in school days that they go super fast with clothing. They always want to wear something new. Blah 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 blah. Excuse me. Okay, this other one, I'm not sure what it is. Oh, it's shirts. I believe it's for my 9-year-old. Yes, it's size 9. The feel of the t-shirt feels nice, kind of like this. I got this one as well in Shein. Look at this. It's nice, little cut thing. It's breathable. It's nice, and I believe this feels like this. Look at that. That's oh, they're crop tops. No, dang it. Look it. They're crop tops. I have a beef with crop tops and little kids because that's not their age. But Shein, I'm gonna see. It has that black one with the Walmart looking smiley face, and then there's this one, smile 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 smile, and the white one where it says enjoy the little things with the smile thing again. And this is the back of the shirt. The front is empty. Back, front, and I believe this one's the only one that had it at the front. Yes, because the back is black, and it looks cute. It looks cute. This is for the 9-year-old. So there's these shirts right there. Or were they for the 6-year-old? No, 9-year-old. Okay. The next thing is this. I believe this is a jacket as well, and this is for my little one. And it also looked different on the phone. Here's that. I think they sent me 2 things of the same thing. What in the world? Here's the jacket. Now this is a little bit thicker than the other one. The other one's more like a sweater jacket kind of thing, and this is like a jacket. And it's hopefully you could tell the type of fabric, and the inside has, at least the hood has this little fur. I don't think the rest of it is buttons, but buttons that actually has to go through holes and not buttons that you push in. For my 6-year-old, it could be a little bit tough, but let me out like it's tough on mine. Okay, hold on, give me 1 second. Hold on. Give me 1 second right there. Total money that I spent, I can't remember. It was like $100, but I did buy items for me, clothing for me. Oh no, nice. Look, it inside, all of it is furry. The arm, let me pull that out. Furry, yes. Now, see, my younger one goes more for the fluffy, smooth, like warm, cold kind of jackets, and my older one goes for the most fresh ones. This is kind of like a little coat, kind of, because it's a little bit longer than a jacket would go, like at your waist, and this one goes a little bit, maybe her bottom it would be. It's cute. I like it a lot. Now here's the thing. Here's that one, which I think they sent me a repeat, or I didn't see. There were 2 of the same. Look at this. Look at this. Yes, I have to look. I could have just seen there were I could have not seen, I clicked 2 because my phone drags and that stuff, but it doesn't hurt to have 2 of a kind. Pants are pants. I did also buy her some other leggings. Let me go ahead if I could bring it really quick.
Show it to me.
Okay. I got the rest of them. They were already in the closet. Look at, these are the other leggings that I told you. They're kind of on this color. And they have the veil leg as well. This is for the 9-year-old. So it's size 9. I also got her this because her birthday now, she's going to turn 9. And it's cinnamon roll theme. This thing, I thought it was longer. But look at that. It's like mid-waist. And then the whole arm has like cinnamon roll looking like bunnies or doggies, whatever that is. And then this is like one texture, and then this is the other one, but it's like one of those low cut long arm ones, and it's so a medium. I thought it was for children, and I think it's for adults. Okay, the next packet, Layla, please. The next packet that I got of leggings came in 4. The packet was 4. This is for the 6-year-old, so it came in the gray. Now the material is that kind of a material. Okay, it has the gray one, the black one, the kind of peach flower one, and then the white and like leopard Dalmatian kind of one. And these are soft. And then the other packet had 3 of them. One which she's already wearing because today was the first day of school, but they have the same picture. She has the black, and then she has the gray, and then she's wearing the pink one. It's like very light pink, and you can see, I'm gonna show you the black one. One leg has the face, and then the other leg has the feet and the tail. It's really cute. They're really soft, and this one's like, can you see that? So yes, underwear you're gonna be seeing. There's those 2. This is for the 6-year-old, and they're nice size. And that she also already wore this for the first day of school. This I got it on size 9. I don't remember. Let me see, Layla. Oh, I got this on size 10 or 11. Because I don't know how I would do it with this kind of jean, and it has this little stars, like distressed stars on the legs, and it's that kind of a little bell loose pants. Yeah, but she likes it, and I like that it has this kind of thing. It ended up being a little bit bigger on her, but she was able to do this, and it would hold a little longer with the long shirt. You couldn't see, but it is like stretchy leather. I lost my what are these jeans? Stretchy jeans. Can you see? Look at this. They're stretchy. I like it. They liked it. I like it. They have new clothes. They're a little bit different than just going to the Walmart and getting clothes from them, which I still did. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today for this Shein Kids haul. If you like these items, they're okay of a quality, but kids grow very fast and they go through clothes very fast. I know that Shein is not a good company, or it doesn't have good reputation, but this is the first time I buy from Shein. I did have some other clothing for mine, but I might do a try on haul for that one, and not on my kids clothing. But yeah, other than that, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't done so, please click subscribe. My dog is eating the paper. Please click subscribe. And if you've done so already, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.